Isolation. Feeling trapped and controlled. Feeling guilty for trying to live a normal life of independence. These are just some of the feelings women dealing with unhealthy environments, codependency, and abuse and narcissistic behaviors feel. These women need your help. They are living in abuse. They don't all look the way you think they would look, but they are dealing with various types of trauma, from mental to physical to emotional to financial. Drowning in shame, they are scared, they are sad, they feel trapped, and they need your help. They want to feel safe, secure, supported, and you can help them. The Break the Chain t-shirt is not just another t-shirt to hang in your closet. 25% of each purchase will be given to a woman in need. A woman trying to reclaim her life. A woman trying to thrive. Help us help her. Purchase a Break the Chain t-shirt today and join the movement to help her reconnect and take back her power. With the money she receives, she will not just survive, she will thrive.